Hi, welcome to our next junior algebra video. We continue talking about solving equations. Right, remember the key thing here, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side. Right, now for the next video, we're going to focus on fraction equations with fractions in it. Here's our first example. Example number 1, x plus 4 all divided by 2 is equal to the number 6. Right, so our line down the middle. See this divide 2 here, we're going to get rid of it. The opposite of dividing 2 is to multiply by 2. So if I multiply the left hand side by 2, I got to multiply the right hand side by 2. So on the right hand side, 6 times 2 makes 12. Coming back to the left hand side, we have this times 2 and this divide 2. Well, they cancel to 1 because any number divided by itself is 1. So 2 divided by 2 cancels to 1 whole and they disappear, leaving us with just the x plus 4. So after our first step of working, we have x plus 4 is equal to 12. Right, what's our second step? We'll see that plus 4, we're going to get rid of it by minusing 4. If I minus 4 on the left, I minus 4 on the right, 12 minus 4 gives me 8. And coming back to the left-hand side, that plus 4 and minus 4 makes 0. So they cancel out, leaving me just my x now. And I've solved it by coming up with x equal to the number 8. X is equal to 8. Right, let's do a quick check. 8 is the answer we think. 8 plus 4 makes 12. 12 divided 2 is indeed 6. So it does work and x is equal to 8. Now if you're checking on a calculator, please be mindful. We've spoken about this in the past. But be mindful, if you just type in 8 plus 4 divide 2, your calculator kicks in and does the 4 divide 2 first because of bed maths, and it gives you the wrong answer. So if you want to go brackets 8 plus 4 close brackets and then divide 2, you'll get the right answer, which is 6. All right, let's move on to our second and last example. Here's another fraction problem that we're going to solve. 4x minus 1 is on the top. All divided by 5 is equal to the number 8. We're going to figure out what value of x makes this equation correct. Right, line down the equal sign. Left-hand side, right-hand side. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. Right, let's get going. See this divide 5? Let's get rid of dividing 5 by multiplying by 5. Multiplying by 5 on both sides. Right, on the right-hand side, 8 times 5 gives us 40. Coming back to the left-hand side, see the times 5 and the divide 5? They cancel. A 5 divided by 5 cancel to 1 whole. So that leaves us with the 4x minus 1. So we've got 4x minus 1 equal to 40. Right, there's our first step gone. Right, our second step. See that minus 1? We're going to plus 1. The opposite of minusing 1 is plus 1. So if we plus 1 on the left, we plus 1 on the right. So we end up with 40 plus 1 makes 41 on the right. And coming back to the left, see the minus 1 and plus 1, they make 0 and cancel, and I can cross them off. And that leaves me with 4 x's left on the left. So 4x is equal to 41. So there's my second step done. So this is a 3-step problem. We're about to do the third step now. We've got 4x equal to 41. We're going to divide both sides by 4 to get rid of the coefficient of 4. Now on the right hand side, 41 divided by 4 gives me the decimal 10.25. And on the left hand side, the 4's cancel, leaving me just x. X is equal to the number 10.25. Now remember, you could have left your answer as an improper fraction, which was 41 over 4, or you could have turned it into a mixed number, 10 whole and 1/4. Right, quick check, 4 times 10.25 minus 1 divided by 5, probably best to do that on your calculator, you'll get an answer of 8. But when you do it on the calculator, please put brackets. Go bracket 4 times 10.25 minus 1, close bracket, and then divide it all by 5, and you'll get the answer of 8, which proves x is equal to 10.25. Awesome, thanks for watching.